9 minus 4 gives us 5. And again, 9 minus 4 gives us 5. And 5 times 5 is equal to 25. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, so according to the order of operation, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stand for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So we have to solve parentheses first before we do a calculation, and then we have to solve exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. So the rule is these are priority. So parentheses is priority number 1, exponent is number 2, and so on, right? So multiplication and division are certain number, certain priority, and addition and subtraction are for the priority. So we have to solve the equation according to their priority, right? We wouldn't be allowed to solve multiplication before parentheses, right? Here in our problem, we have subtraction and we have multiplication, right? So we wouldn't be allowed to do the subtraction because clearly the multiplication have higher, greater priority than subtraction, right? So it's priority number 3, meaning we when we encounter the equation like this, we have to solve the multiplication before the subtraction. So what is the answer for this problem? Well, we are going to start with 4 times 9, and that gives us 36. And the problem becomes 9 minus 36 minus 4. So 9 minus 36 is equal to negative 27. And negative 27 minus 4 is equal to negative 31. So the final answer to this question is negative 31.